Login failed on Plaid Investments Fix. You open the Plaid Investments interface to link your accounts or view connected assets, but suddenly, the screen flashes login failed. Don't worry, this issue happens to thousands of users every week, and most people get the fix wrong. Let's walk through the real solution. First, understand what's happening. Plaid isn't a bank, it's a connection service that links your financial accounts to apps like Robinhood, Sophie, or Acorns. When you see login failed, it usually means the connection between Plaid and your financial institution broke, not that your Plaid account itself has a problem. Start by authenticating your link bank or brokerage. Open the app that uses Plaid, for example, your investing app, and tap Reconnect Account. You'll be redirected to your bank's secure login page through Plaid. Enter your credentials and authorize access again. If that doesn't work, the bank's API may be temporarily offline. Many major banks, like Chase or Wells Fargo, perform security updates that interrupt Plaid logins for a few hours. Waiting and retrying later often resolves the issue automatically. Next, make sure your bank's credentials are correct. If you've recently changed your online banking password, Plaid can't log in until you update it through the connected app. If you're using a VPN or public Wi-Fi, disable it temporarily. Plaid system blocks logins from masked or unusual IP addresses for security reasons. Also, keep your app updated. Outdated investing or finance apps can lose compatibility with Plaid's latest encryption protocols. Check your app store for updates to both your financial app and the Plaid CT if applicable. Finally, if you still see login failed, it might be due to new multi-factor authentication at your bank. Log in directly to your bank first, approve any pending prompts, then retry linking via Plaid. So, the next time Plaid Investments shows login failed, remember it's usually just a connection issue, not an account problem. Reconnect your bank, verify credentials, and you'll be back managing your investments securely in no time.